Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta.
Conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 9:33 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Wednesday, July 7th, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Mountain View County near Cremona and Water Valley, Municipal District of Rocky View near Airdrie and Crossfield, Municipal District of Rocky View near Bottrell and Madden, and Municipal District of Rocky View near Chestermere, Dalroy and Dalemead. A severe